I think I got that on camera. We're on our way to breakfast. We're finally in Seminyak. We were here yesterday, but it was a very hectic day. We were trying to move our bags and just get settled. But now we are very hungry and ready to eat. This guy definitely is. It's cool because the sign is backwards here, so that in the mirror over here is the right way. I think that's so cool. Whereas I think I've decided I'm gonna go for, I was between banoffee pie and honeycomb. I think I'm gonna get the honeycomb. What's your thought process?
Between lemon meringue or the small one. I'm not sure.
I got iced matcha. What did you get?
Strawberry, banana, and honey smoothie. I'm not gonna lie.
Like in what sense?
It's a bit bland. Nothing too exciting.
My matcha's okay. It's a bit clumpy, but you know, we live. They've arrived. Wow. Hello. Whoa. Is yours good?
Yeah, mine's like on the camera light. It's really nice.
You wanna try mine? Mine's very sweet compared to yours, so you might find yours not sweet if you try mine.
Yeah, I did see someone say that's like one of the best.
This is actually a Korean cafe, coffee shop, bakery. They sell a bunch of Korean teas as well, but it's quite expensive for the actual teas.
Yeah, really.
Yeah. This one is called Cube Croissant, and this one is called Croissant Noir. Good or?
Yeah, no.
For all of this, including the service charge and tax, is 253,100 rupiah, which is a bit more expensive for Bali. But compared to what we'd usually pay, it's like not bad at all.
It's the equivalent to like a Starbucks.
Yeah. Considering you got two nice pastries and decently sized drinks. These are medium.
Really?
Yeah.
Plenty.
Exactly. Like, I don't know how big the large is though. It's so cool. You can get a cool little menu with a map. What do you think?
Good. Really nice.
It was actually really nice. It tastes really fresh as well.
Really reasonable.
Really, really reasonable. I'm pretty sure all of our plates were like the cheap ones.
25k.
And not on purpose, just because we like a bit of plain sushi.
But we're the only people that would go to a sushi restaurant and not get fish.
I would have salmon, but all of them look very similar, and I've tried like crab sushi before, and I'm just not a fan of it. Like nothing's labelled, but you can kind of tell by the plate colour, because there's a menu that you can look at as well.
All the ones we had were really good.
But yeah, they were really nice. They weren't like dry from sitting around. They all have little covers on them as well. And you can order stuff off the menu for the same price as well if you want it and you can't see it. A nice, healthy way to finish off the evening.
Now we'll get back to the hotel, do some video editing, and then
get ready to go to Chengdu.
Next stop.
We're excited. How many nights are we staying there?
3.
3 nights.
Yeah.
Got a few things planned for there. You're excited for the cookies.
Yeah. The dang cookies.
Thank you. Look at his face light up. Look at the croissant that Reese has gone for.
Chocolate, of course.
If you're walking by yourself, or if you're not in a car or already on a bike and you're walking somewhere, you can't escape. Bike, 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 bike. Every single Grab or Gojek bike driver will just completely keep beeping at you. Bike, bike, you walking? Where are you going? I'm talking about the bikes.
I guess. How are we going to fit on it in the first place?
Exactly. Welcome to the Aswana. To be honest with you, it hasn't been that bad. There's just little things that, compared to how good our first place was, we were like, ooh. This was £18 a night.
Yeah, I mean, you get what you pay for.
You definitely get what you pay for. I mean, this window didn't close properly. So, luckily we had our little mosquito contraption. But no, it came with bottles of water. It came with housekeeping every day, kettle, tea, TV, aircon.
Yeah, for the money.
Give £18 a night.